This is Charlie's sunrise picture. He did such a good job with all his details, and I asked him, I said, can I share this picture with the class, because it's really beautiful. And the way we shared, we put the artwork in the front of the room, and then the child that was sharing their words sat in the back in the artist-author chair. But the rest of the class faced forward with their eyes on the artwork, because our job was to see if the words matched his pictures. So at the last minute I said to him, I'd like to read your words, because you did a beautiful job with this. Would that be okay? And he kind of looked at me like, I said, you're going to have to sit in the artist-author chair. And he said, okay. So I called the other children to go first, and I saved him for the end. And when I called his name, I said, okay, Charlie, it's your turn to sit in the artist-author chair. He stood up, and he put his hand out towards me, this nonverbal child. And I was holding his writing. And I said, do you want to read your words? He nodded yes. And he went and he sat. And in a loud, clear voice, he read his words. So his teacher came and picked him up, and I told her, and she got all teary-eyed. And we went on to continue with our turtle writing. This is Charlie's turtle writing. He didn't need any encouragement to do writing for this project because he liked turtles, which I didn't know. And the day that we shared our first turtle poem, I had children raise their hands, and they shared. Everybody's lining up, and I looked at Charlie, and his face was like, I said, oh, honey, do you want to share your words? So once again, he sat in the artist-author chair. I called everybody off the line. The other classes were waiting in the hall, sorry. But I figured this was important. And he read his words again. This time his teacher was there to hear it. And then on the very last day of Artist Writers Workshop, I asked the children if there's something that you would like to share to get your piece of writing out of your folder and go to the artist-author, go to the carpet. Well, Charlie took his turtle book. He didn't go to the carpet. He went straight to the chair. And when I looked at him, he looked me straight in the eye and said, I want to be first.